Hi guys, welcome to another video of SAP EWM basics. So today we are going to learn about warehouse process type. So in short we call as a WPT. So you already know warehouse task means warehouse task is going to have the source and destination information. So to create the warehouse task, warehouse process type is mandatory. So in a warehouse, to move the product from one place to another place, warehouse task creation is mandatory. To create the warehouse task, this warehouse process type WPT is mandatory. So it's kind of replica of movement type in MM, WM, SD. You have seen like movement types. The same way WPT is going to work in the same fashion in the EWM. So let's say this is a warehouse RKW, and we have ordered X, Y, A, B 4 materials from the vendor V1. We are going to receive these 4 materials under quantity. So let's say X and Y materials are in packed condition and A and B materials are unpacked condition. So if you see here, after unloading and goods receipt, this X and Y material, since these are in pre-packed condition, it should directly go to RK storage type bins. And product A and product B, which are in unpacked condition, first it should go to the work center for packing purpose. From the work center, it should reach to RK20. So how my system is going to send these two different kind of products? One is to directly into RK storage type, the other one is into work center. So which mechanism is going to work so that my system can direct the product directly into storage type, or some of the products it should go to the work center. So here WPT, warehouse process type, will play a significant role. So for the direct put away, we have a WPT called 1010. To send the material into work center like packing, we have a customized WPT called Z010. So here two different processes we are going to execute with two different WPTs. One is 1010, the other one is Z010. So the question is how WPT is going to determine by the system. So stay tuned with us. The determination of WPT you will see in the next class. To learn SAP EWM in detail with configuration and testing, our next batch is going to start on January 27, 8:30 AM to 9:30 AM are the timings. For more details, contact to given below numbers.